Under Seva Pakwada, in all the taluka offices today, deputy collectors and mamladas are conducting various camps. They are giving orders under Tree Act, then tenancy, munkarial purchase, mutation, conversion, sanad, OBC certificate, late birth registration certificates and all. And we are getting very good response from all the taluka. For instance, in Kepe Taluka alone, like more than 250 orders were passed today. Similarly, the numbers are quite high in other taluka also. So we are getting good response. Then apart from that, Talatis and joint mamlatas have gone to Talati office today, where they are creating awareness about the new circular which has been issued under 20-point program. So they are calling the prospective beneficiaries under category A and category C of 20-point program. They are telling them how to apply, and they are helping these people to make application. So that activity is also going on in most of the taluka and in Talati offices. Apart from that, in the last 2 weeks, as part of Seva Pakwada, at the collectorate level, we have been undertaking a lot of training sessions. For instance, we had training sessions on cyber rules, traffic rules, then AI for all the staff, where we taught them about various tools which are there, which can improve their efficiency in work. Then we had also session on mental health and stress management also. So these are the small, limited number of things which have been undertaken under Seva Pakwada. The number is more than 1,000. As of now, everybody has not submitted the report. In 2 talukas alone, we have seen the number. For instance, in Kepe Taluka, the number of people who have received benefits are more than 250. Similarly, the numbers are quite high in other talukas also.
Online भी कुछ था आपका?
Yeah. So online services also, application which have been received, they are being disposed today.
So किती actually is meeting?
There is a public awareness camp we conducted at Salcete level, taluka level. Public grievances various त्यांची issues जे आसा जे mutation, partition, residence certificate and जे services revenue authorities offers करता. So ते आमी तांकां on the spot दिवपाक try केले.
कितले अशें जाले? कितले केसी घेवन लोक गेल्ले हांगा?
आमी ऑनलायन जे एप्लिकेशन आसा म्युटेशन इन अराउंड डिस्पोज केला आमी टोटल म्युटेशन इज 97 म्युटेशन 97 ऑनलायन आमी सर्टिफायड म्युटेशन डिस्पोज केला. तशेंच 12 कन्वर्जन सॅनड इश्यू केला आनी 2 परचेस सॅनड अंडर मुनकार एक्टाचे अंडर आमी प्रोसेस केला. तशेंच थोडे सिटीजनाक कितें तेंचे इश्यूज आशिल्ले म्हणजे केस रिगार्डींग ते आमी तांकां रिजॉल्व करपाची ट्राय केली.
सगळी डिपार्टमेंट हांगा हाजीर आसली आयज?
आमच्या बरोबर आयज सिवील सप्लायज, व्हिडिओचो स्टाफ, तशेंच तालुका लेवल लिगल सर्वीस तेंची एडवोकेट्स आशिल्ले आनी तशेंच बाकीचे लायन एजन्सीचे हजर आशिल्ले.
CCP दिसूंक ना आमकां हांगा?
TCPक आमी लेटर केले पूण प्रेजेंट कोण नाशिल्लो TCP. आमी ते थ्रू टेलिफोनिकली रिजॉल्व करपाक ट्राय केले. म्हणजे पब्लिकाची स्पेसिफीक एजन्सी स्पेसिफीक जे इश्यू आसा ते वी बीन कोऑर्डिनेट केले.
कॅम्प आयज एक दीसभर आसतलो का आदेसभर?
आयज दीसभर आमचो कॅम्प आसतलो.
सो सांजचो हाफ डे आसा परत.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.